Would you like a quick and easy way to set up a button in your flows within ManyChat and simply allow your users to click on that button, have their email pop up with a compose email already open with your email address in the to fields and a subject line of your choice already pre-populated? Let's look at how to do that. So here I am in a test flow in ManyChat, and what I'm going to do is add a button to this message block. Let's call this button Email Me. And what I want to do here is click on Open Website. And in the website address, here is where the magical code goes that allows all this cool stuff to happen with the user's email. So what we need to type in here is mailto. Now this is where you put in your email that you want your users to send their email to. So in my case, it will be ruheene@thebotgirl.com. Now if I end it here, this will still work. It'll do all of those things except for pre-populate the subject line. So it'll still open up their email, it'll still open up a compose email, it'll have this email address of mine in their to fields, but the subject line will still be blank. So if I want to pre-populate their subject line as well, all I do is put a question mark, subject equals, and now whatever I enter in after this is what will pre-populate in their subject line. So let's just say this is my email. Of course, I'm not getting too creative here, but let's just pretend that's the subject line that I want. And so if I say done here, let's just put in some dummy text here so that ManyChat will allow me to publish it. I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. And now let's test it out. So I'm going to click on preview, click on send to messenger. So you can see our message here. So let's go ahead and click on email me. And now you can see it's opened up a new email with my email already pre-populated and with my subject line right here. So I hope that was helpful, and I hope you are going to implement all three of these ideas for your business so you can leverage the power of all three of them. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any requests for future videos or trainings from me, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and I would be more than happy to get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Bye.